Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to be going over the running animated models. My last video I did standing animated models, and you should be able to get to here if you saw the last video. If not, go ahead and check out the previous video right before this about um, just player models. So we're going to go over running models, and it's actually really simple, so it's probably only going to be about a 5 or 6 minute video. So right here we got the model from before. And what we want to do to make it run, or really do any kind of animation, is first we want to get their arm, or you can do any one out of order. Pick, I think it's the x-axis. No, yes, okay. So pick the right axis so that it's like that. So see how now the arm's like that. So your goal is to notice how there's only a few modes of rotation. 45, I think that's 30 degrees, 45 degrees, okay? So pick the 30 degrees, and then you want to use this to move it. Oh, not there. Move it along the z-axis and the y-axis so that you can get it just in the right position so it looks like it's still attached on the arm like that. See that? And then we're going to go to the left arm. We're going to rotate that one the opposite. Oh, in the z-axis. Oh, x. The opposite. And sometimes it's buggy and you can't see the arm, but that's okay. Everything is all good. It's still there. It's just you can't see it that well. Just go by the outline. So then you go like that and that. And now you have kind of the first running frame. Then the second frame is going to be even further. Readjust it a little more. Even further. Readjust it a little more. It's going to do the same to the legs. So I'll just get the legs going and then you guys get the point after that, I'm sure. So go here. Get the leg looking like that. Then we're going to readjust the leg so that it's back a little bit, up one, just like that. And then the left leg, we're going to go X, go like that, back a little bit, up one. Oh, no, sorry, forward up one. There we go. So now we got the first step, okay? And really, you can do this if they have layers, you have to adjust the layers as well. But this skin doesn't have layers. And here's the first step. Now, what you're going to want to do is you want to create the second step where they're as extended as possible. The third step where the left arm is actually back and the right arm is actually forward, and the left leg is actually back and the right leg is actually forward, or however you want the legs and arms to be synchronized. And then do another one where they're all the way extended. So once you get that, you'll end up with 4 models plus a fifth right here. So we got Alex, which is just standing still, or Alex still, because they're both, well, sorry, Alex still in my files refers to the Alex that's not moving. Alex 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4. And then you have the texture. This is going to be our final product, but we'll get to that later. Then you're going to pull up this site called fizzy81.github.io. It's JSON Animator by Fizzy Chicken. Love it. Great thing. So we're going to choose our files. We're going to go into, let's see, we're going to go into games, and where is it? Player models. Alex. We're going to pick this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Open. Loaded. Alex still has 2 errors. Couldn't find Alex still.png. Okay. So I'm going to open this and make sure that this just says Alex. Let's see. Open with Sublime. Cool. Hello, Sublime. Sublime is having some weird things. Okay, so this one's referencing the desktop, so make sure you don't do that. Reference blocks, but it doesn't matter because this isn't what we're going to use in the end. This is just something we're going to be using for now. Oh, markdown code. Okay. Okay, so let me re-upload that. X, choose files, Alex still. Loaded, load. So now we have all these JSON files. So let's start with Alex still. Let's see what it looks like here. Very big. Okay. So what we want to do is this animator is going to let us animate. So let's put in 1 frame, slightly out. Okay, so my frames are, oh, sorry, 1, where it's slightly out, 2, where it's all the way out. Then they're going to naturally swing their arms back the way they came, so slightly out again. Then we're going to give it a still. Then we're going to go slightly out, all the way out, slightly out, and then it'll come back to this still. So if we hit play, check it out. Swing, 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 swing. Now what I like to do is I like to make some of these a little bit longer and some of these a little shorter. So I'm going to give this 2 frames. Now this is going to let you adjust how long each one is played for. Everything's going to get 2 frames except the fully extended is only going to get 1 frame. Just kind of to mimic how when your arms are swinging, they're only at their maximum height for a shorter time than their minimum height. Okay, so let's play that. And that ends up looking like this. And I think that looks pretty good. Now if you want to, you can make this 2 and make this 2 if you want it to be very even, but as you notice it looks a little bit weird. So we're going to go back to 1 and 1, and that looks a lot better to me. Then to export it, you just click export. Model path would be items slash Alex. So we're going to make it go in the items folder, the model items folder with the diamond sword, but we're going to call this one Alex. And then the texture will be blocks slash Alex. Okay, because the texture, it'll use, if you're using one for still and one for running, because they're different textures, just do like Alex 1 or something like that. But we're just going to call it, let's just do Alex 1. Pack format 3, export. And we will get this right here. And then let me go ahead and open up my .minecraft so you guys can see an example of what happens when we put it in, like how we put it in. So this is going to get us texture pack. We're going to Minecraft model. Let's go into textures first. Textures, blocks, Alex. Okay, so you're going to need this Alex texture, which will not open yet. Maybe it will. Please. And as you can see, it's a different texture. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's probably bigger than that. I just don't zoom out enough. And then we also have this thing that you also need, which is going to tell it how long to play each frame. So you need to put these in CQL2, resources. Okay. You need to put these inside of your texture blocks. So put these in here. As you can see, I have Alex and Alex.png MC meta. Then you want to go into models, item, and just as in the last video, you put the .json file in here named Alex like that. Then you edit the diamond sword damage values to have one that says Alex. And that's pretty much it. That puts it in your world. I'll go in and show you a quick example. I just got to load it up. Let's see. Games. Where's Minecraft? Minecraft. So that's pretty much it. It's really easy. This is a great generator because it makes things really good. Now, if you guys are, some people are complaining about how loud my voice is. I don't want to talk too loud because that'd be a little weird. So sorry about that. I'll work on turning the threshold on my mic up, but that is in custom settings. So I have to do that with custom settings for my mic because before it worked, but now it's kind of not so good. I'm also going to try and make some different videos, but I'm just thinking of ideas at the moment. This is just something to tie you guys over, hopefully. Okay, so we loaded it up, and the link to the animator will be in the description, and so will the link to I'm not going to give you an example, but I'll give you a pack of the examples for the swinging, so all you have to do is animate them yourself. That's what I have to do every time I make one. I have to reanimate it. So check it out. There's your running. Running Alex. Anyway, so that's pretty much all there is for this one, guys. Sorry it had to be quick. I've got some stuff to do's today. We got the things to do's. And I'll try and make a video, but I still got to think of what to do. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.